Beneath Greenland's icy surface lies a remarkable archive of Earth's climate history, spanning many millions of years. Today we delve into the world of paleoclimatology, the study of past climates. At the heart of Greenland's climate archive are ice cores. These frozen cylinders, which can extend up to several kilometers in length, are time capsules of Earth's history. Snow and ice compacted over millennia record changes in chemistry, trapped air bubbles, and atmospheric dust, each offering snapshots into past climates. Temperature, vegetation, wildfires, volcanic eruptions, solar activity, and even Roman age pollution are all recorded in Greenland's ice cores. Elsewhere, deep within Greenland's caves, mineral deposits called speleothems preserve another record of past climates. Speleothems grow layer by layer from dripping water. Similar to the ice cores, the chemistry of the layers in the speleothems records information about past climate change. Today, because the ground above the caves is frozen, water cannot seep into the underground, and speleothems cannot form. But if we visit the caves today, we find speleothems everywhere. This tells scientists that at times in the past, Greenland was forested and a lot warmer than today. Beyond the ice and caves, the ocean floor tells its own story. Marine sediments and the microfossils found within them were also deposited layer by layer, recording changes in ocean temperatures, ice sheet dynamics, and even global ocean circulation. Greenlandic lakes also hold vital clues about past climates. Sediments from lakebeds contain layers of pollen that reflect shifts in vegetation over thousands of years. Environmental DNA further unlocks the genetic history of ancient ecosystems. By weaving together evidence from these diverse archives, paleoclimate researchers reveal how Greenland's climate and environment has transformed over millions of years. The past is the key to our future. By unlocking Greenland's climate history, scientists not only unravel Earth's secrets, but also chart a path toward a sustainable tomorrow, one guided by the lessons of ancient climates.